So yes, that's it right there. Y'all remember the blue minivan? Oh, I ain't got no parking spot, so I will have to park right here. But yes, that is the, oh, I didn't know it was gray. He got the hood up. Cool. So let me go over here, guys. In fact, I hope he's out here. I want to go straight in. Y'all know me, man. I hate wasting time. I hate my time being wasted. I don't want to come in, speak to the family. None of that. I just want to get in and go. Because it's bad enough. I feel like a loser out here working on my day off. Alright, so let's see what's up. Yeah, this is my man. What's up? Uh-oh, you got the hood up on something. All right, guys, you see, you don't want nothing in here that may restrict airflow. Okay, so I'm gonna check the air filter. Oh wow. Yeah, you gotta get all this out, guys. You know, or try to get it all out. You don't want anything restricting airflow to the throttle body. This could affect drivability, fuel economy. Could affect fuel economy. Okay, so like I say, guys, tune up is not just spark plugs. Now, he didn't give me a PCV valve. There's a valve. You might want to replace that anytime you do a tune up because it's fairly inexpensive. Now, all I've done so far is clean the intake, replace the plugs, and clean out the throttle body. I'm going to add this Valvoline complete fuel system treatment in his fuel tank. And this is the, yeah, just the throttle Mopar cleaner that I use to clean the throttle body. Okay, so I don't have an air filter. He didn't give me an air filter. But I want you guys out there in YouTube land to realize that an air filter is extremely important. Another thing that's extremely important that get overlooked as far as fuel economy go, tire pressure, guys. I know that sounds so minor, but yes, it is extremely important. Okay, now I'm not in a shop around air pressure or anything like that, so there's nothing I can do for his air pressure. Okay, I'm going to let him know though, but for now I'm doing everything that I can do. Alright, I'm wrapping it up, guys. I'm pretty much done. That spark plug wasn't that bad. It's a 3.6 Pentastar engine. Fairly easy to me. Okay. As you saw, I did not have a spark plug gapper, but I did. Well, you'll make the mistake at it just going in blindly with them. Okay, not even looking at them. Yes, the gap is important, but if you don't have a gapper, it's not the end of the world. I have one, I just forgot to bring it. So I'm gonna grab the intake. Here's all the old parts. I gotta get a trash can. I don't wanna leave my 13. Yes, I'm glad I brought those gases. I'm glad y'all reminded me. If I had not been recording and talked myself into reminding me, I would have forgot. All right, guys, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. That's all I have. Guys, appreciate y'all watching. Now, don't get me wrong, to consumers out there that's watching this, I am not a mobile mechanic. It's just that I have a certain couple of clients that I deal with from time to time. But I'm not mobile, guys. I just in the neighborhood, you live by, right by, and this is when I put the tip on. Y'all remember? This is the same tip I put on. I carded that video early up on the upper right. Yep. Said everything's working fine with it. I don't like this. Y'all know how I feel about this. Okay, OEM on the battery terminal. Good part about this, you don't have to replace the whole cable. This is what they sell in AutoZone. It's supposed to look like this. If I wiggle this, I don't even want to wiggle. It might get loose, and something I call. So, but OEM, guys, this can give you some problems that you'll have a hard time tracking down. You won't even know you got the problem.
All right, guys.